Do you want to make your own video conferencing application like Zoom? Do you want to make an application where people can create meetings, they can add their colleague, and they can meet at video conferencing, share their screen, record their videos and much more? Then this is the application for you. Today I am going to show you our ready-made latest launch video conferencing application, and we are going to show you the features of it. Here you can join a meeting and you can also create a new meeting by using the application. Joining a meeting is very easy. Just enter the meeting ID, and creating a meeting is more easy. Just click on create and join now, and that's how easily you can create a new meeting. And that's how a meeting looks like. You can have a video conferencing with your friends, family and colleagues. You can invite other people to join in your video conferencing. You can select all of these options. You can also mute your audio if you don't want your audio to be available in the video conferencing, just like Zoom. You can also turn off your camera if you want, like this. You can have different features like raise your hand. That means if there are multiple people available and you want to say something, you want to raise your opinion, then you can click on raise your hand, and the person who has created the meeting will be able to see your icon of hand. You can also have a chat with all the people available in the conferencing, like this. Everybody can have a chat over here. You can also screen record the video. Complete video conferencing will be recorded. You can also live stream the video conferencing directly to your social media channels. You can also add a password of your meeting, so particular people can only join the meeting. So that is how easily our video conferencing app is working. If you want to start a video conferencing application, or we can say an application like Zoom, I will definitely suggest this app to make. We can definitely make this type of application Android app, iOS app, admin, website, and 1 year free technical support is available. For more, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen, or you can also visit raunix.com. You can also have this tile view feature. That means if there are more than 50 or more people available, you can see different people's screen and their faces available in the meeting. To use this video conferencing app, there is no technical knowledge required, and you can easily use this app just like Zoom and other apps. If you want to make a similar app for your own business, or if you want to launch your own app like Zoom, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen, or you can also visit raunix.com. And this is the history panel of the app. Here you can see all your past meetings. You can log in the application by Facebook, Google, email ID and mobile number OTP. And now this is the admin panel of the application. You can see all the users. You can see your graphs and how many users are coming and making a meeting. You can see different features like you want the application to be free. From the admin panel, you can control different features like you want the application to be freely used, or you want only paid members can use the app. You can also control different settings like people will need to log in before coming to the application or not. And that is how our ready-made app like Zoom is working. If you are looking for a similar app, you can directly contact us by the number showing on your screen, or you can also visit raunix.com for more, to help you the best and to make the best application for Android, iOS, website and admin. So our consultant can help you and suggest you the best, and I'll see you there. Thank you.